The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Hey, POliceman. Good, bro. Good. Fucking nice off police, boy. Man, no, relax. Go. Hey. Hey, nobody even knows. One thing is fucking. You can fight on court. See, now I will go police, bro.
No legs. Legs! I won't get his face. That's what I won't get. You get it? Well, send me that, man. That's what you need to do. Send me that. Niggas being a liking, man.
Yeah, intoxicated on alcohol and firing.
Yeah, they say in Abaco police. We think it's Abaco police. He then should have gone off twice. Twice he then should have gone off.
All them is young niggas. Hey, send that to me, man. You're all slapping up.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Seriousskilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And I just presented to you a video that is out on social media, and according to what has been said about this video on social media is that this video shows off a person that is said to be a Bahamian police officer that was acting unprofessionally with a firearm in the public or in public space. You see me? Now, I do not have any information as to if the person is on or off duty as a police officer, but however, according to what has been said on social media is that the person is said to be a police officer. And according to what has been said on social media is that this had happened in the Bahamas Islands or within the Bahamas Islands. Alright? Now, there's speculations about this video on social media. Some persons are saying that the person that is said to be a Bahamian police officer was just acting like a bad man. Some persons are saying that he was drunk, and other things have been said as well, viewers and subscribers. Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. And you can let me know what you think about the video that I presented to you that is out on social media, where it is said that a person that is said to be a Bahamian police officer was seen acting unprofessionally with a firearm. Alright, is it that the person was drunk or not? Let me know what you think. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.